The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1153 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.